In this video, I'm going to share with you guys reasons why your affirmations aren't working, how to use them properly, and other common mistakes when using them. Hey, great day everyone. This is Keve and I help people improve by 1% every single day. So today I want to go over affirmations because I used them for a while, but I was never getting the results that I expected. And everyone always talked about how great they are, but it's a little bit deceptive. So what is an affirmation? An affirmation is a statement you say that wants to improve on a specific quality of yourself. Like an example is, I am confident, or I am wealthy. Money flows to me from many different ways. Or you could say, I am funny. So the reason affirmations aren't working for you guys is because you are just kind of saying the affirmations, hopefully in the morning. And, if it works, you're kind of happy and you might stop saying them. But the biggest reasons is because you have to use your affirmations with evidence. Okay, we're learning how to do that too. So affirmations with evidence works this way. So let's take the example that use the affirmation that I am funny. You say to yourself in the morning, I am funny. I see people kind of laughing with me and laughing at my jokes. You can take, 20 seconds to just visualize yourself, saying a joke and then feeling good when people are kind of laughing with you. So then let's say you go about your day and then you meet Sally and you say a joke to Sally and you see her laughing and you're like, okay, wow, and the affirmation's working. And then at the end of the day, you kind of just go to sleep and whatever happens. So what happens is your brain is listening to you. And when you say that I am funny, your brain's always listening. It's like, okay, we're funny. And you were able to kind of execute that throughout the day. But a way to make it much, much more powerful is if at the end of the day, you're reflecting on your day and you remember, hey, I made Sally laugh today. So when your brain hears you say that I am funny, then you actually go out and you execute on that throughout the day. And then at the end of the day, when you review that I am funny and you supply your brain with that evidence, then it really makes it much more concrete and it helps build the positive momentum. So when you give evidence of something, you're much more likely to believe it. And your brain is the same way, right? So if you've never seen the sky before and I said to you, the sky is blue, but you've never seen it and you're not sure, you really have no evidence. So you're kind of taking my word for it, but you're really, you have your doubts. But what we're doing is the opposite, right? We say that we are funny and then we have that example of the day that, we made Sally laugh. So now your brain is thinking like, okay, we really are funny. This is awesome. Let's keep doing it. And with affirmations, it's a process. So you have to keep doing it kind of every day. And this whole process takes like maybe a minute. You're saying it to yourself in the morning, you visualize it. And then before you go to sleep, you kind of want to audit your day and see how it went and finding that evidence, supplying it to your brain. Boom, it's fortified, complete, much, much better. So this is really, really a great technique. I hope you guys try it and use it. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. And I also want to share with you a common mistake people make with affirmations. So let me give you the situation of, somebody in your family died, okay? And you're like really, really sad. And when you're sad, you start saying to yourself, I'm happy, like life is good, life is good, life is great. And you're trying to suppress that emotion of sadness. The whole point of when you feel those emotions in these tragic situations is you need to feel it and really just take that time to kind of mourn and be sad, right? Feel the feelings of being sad. Take, whatever is 30 minutes, maybe it takes you a day, but set a period of time where you can just kind of embrace it and let it be. Because if you don't do that by saying, oh man, I'm happy, everything is good, you're suppressing those emotions and they're inside of you. And the more you push it down, the more it builds up and eventually it's just going to explode out of you and you're going to have an outburst or a breakdown, and nobody wants that, right? That's not good for anybody. So take the time to embrace those feelings, and once you just feel it out, you're good. You can then move on and then you can, use whatever affirmations you want. So life is about a lot of mindfulness and kind of understanding and being in the moment and feeling it and kind of learning why you have those emotions and so forth. So, I really hope that helped you guys. Throw some affirmations in the comments. I love to see what you guys are working on. And remember to always stay positive, except when you're sad. Feel those emotions, man.